know what this is.
Bonus feature.
Maybe. There's other stuff in the box other than what I anticipated. Okay, there's my Schrader valves. But we got stickers!
Air Slam It.
Apparently they are the ones that sold this off Amazon, so shout out to Air Slam It.
You gonna put that on the truck?
No.
Maybe I'll put it on the bike.
Maybe put it on Kegan's bike.
There you go.
Joke's on you, I don't even have a fender yet.
Oh, might be getting back a hold of them. It looks like they got a whole bunch of other stuff on my wall.
Like more stickers?
Yep, so while Kegan's over here working on today's project, we're going to do a quick unboxing because I haven't seen these yet.
I got a box full of trash.
Yeah, I love how they do that. Shredded cardboard.
Hey, it works. So there are 4 of these.
And what are these? Well, I know what they are, but
Airlift. And this is the 2600 series, which means each of these airbags is good for 3,000 pounds apiece at 100 psi, which means about 12,000 pounds of capacity, which is way more than that axle can handle. My point is I don't want to try and run up against the limit, so I would rather figure for 75 psi, which is 75% of the capacity that is recommended at max, which would put me at about 9,000 pounds, which is really pushing it for that axle, but when we truss it, I don't expect to be hauling that heavy, but I like overkill. But that
Is
right
that why
there,
you went with 4 airbags?
yeah, overkill. But
Is that a
they got a bump,
standard?
yeah, they got a bump stop built inside of them. It's 2.8 inches fully compressed, and we've got a bunch of air fittings. So we've got some 90-degree half-inch that'll thread into there, and these right here are your mounting. And I've got some mounting plates and some other little goodies in here, but the most important part is I got 4 of these.
so what you're telling me, and what we should probably tell everybody from this unboxing, is the next big project on the truck is the rear end.
And there's another big purchase that was way more expensive than these that I'm hoping gets shipped out this week, into this week. And Keith, if you're watching this, thank you, sir. But that will lead into this, and that, and the International. So, and there's some more stuff coming. I'm working with the guys over at JB3 Moto, and yeah, it's all going to tie into one large modification on the truck.
Eventually.
That, yeah, eventually, sometime. I'm hoping within the next month that all this comes together, month and a half. Obviously before September, because I'd like to drive this thing to the kickdown unless they cancel it because of the COVID, but
I've been saying that for 2 years.
Maybe in the next month. Maybe in the next month.
Maybe in the next month. Maybe
some of us
in the
prefer action though, Kegan.
That
So, anyways guys, that's what we got. Airlift 2600s.
is step 1 of the rear end.
And the most important thing about this is to let Adam know that the back of the truck should no longer ride like a pogo stick.
Pogo stick. Bounce, bounce, bounce. That'll be fun to see what it's like on air. Woohoo. Alright, hey guys, thanks for watching. See ya.